which is going from white sugar to honey and then going to a sweet leaf called stevia. But eventually getting away from the white sugar is the objective.
Okay. What's really wrong with the white sugar? Why is it so bad?
Well, it starves the body. It's called a dehydrating food and a starvation food. In order to make the white sugar, you have to take out all the fiber, all the vitamins and minerals, and all the water that will come with the sugar cane or sugar beets. And when you eat the white sugar, the body says, I'm going to put back the water, the vitamins and minerals, and bran that was with the sugar cane before it was processed. So it strips the body of its moisture. And it causes the moisture to come out of the nerves, and the nerves begin to fall apart and get damaged, and it ended up with senile dementia, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, nerve damage related diseases, multiple sclerosis, lupus. All those are caused by the sugar pulling the moisture out of the nerves, or it pulls it out of the joints and muscles, ended up with rheumatism, arthritis. It pulls the moisture out of the eyes, dries the eyes, and the nerves in the eyes fall apart, and you end up being blind. And diabetes is leading cause of blindness in black people. And it also taxes the kidneys because all the sugar goes through the kidneys. And the kidneys try to dilute this concentrated sweeteners, and it loses its ability to dilute, and you end up on dialysis. All of this is caused by white sugar.
And you say this can be avoided, right? By just changing your diet a little bit?
Yes. By changing your diet, getting away from concentrated sweeteners, which can be maple syrup, honey, malt sugar, brown sugar, turbinado sugar. I'm talking about concentrated sweeteners, candy bars, sodas, those are concentrated sweeteners.
Well, I should be in pretty good shape then, because I use NutraSweet when I in my cereal and stuff.
NutraSweet causes nerve damage. So you're looking at Alzheimer's, Parkinson, you're probably too senile to know you're eating sugar after a while. So you're looking at nerve damage, and you don't want that. It causes mood swings, causes rage and violence. You don't want to go there with the NutraSweet. It's a poison.
It is?
Yes.
Well, how about Sweet and Low?
Aspartame, it has alcohol in it. It dries up the nervous system, and it causes neurological damage. So you don't want to damage your nerves, which means you're damaging your brain. The sugar causes the brain to lose oxygen. White sugar, brown sugar, turbinado sugar, maple syrup. It takes the oxygen away from the brain cells, which causes them to die. You don't want to rob your body of nutrients. You eat to give your body nutrients. And when you eat in a concentrated sweetener, such as white sugar, you're robbing your body of nutrients, defeating the whole purpose of eating.
So this nerve damage, I can tell because I do have some in my feet. Why do I have this neuropathy, I guess you call it, in my feet?
Neuropathy is a nice word for nerve damage. So we said that the sugar has pulled the moisture out of the nerves, and the nerves fray and fall apart. The sugar pulls the nerves out of the veins and arteries, which we call the vascular system. And that causes you to have decreased circulation to your feet and leg, and eventually your foot will be amputated and your leg will be amputated because the sugar's causing the vascular system loses moisture.